Jangan lupa untuk klik like dan subscribe, serta klik tombol lonceng di sampingnya.
Okay, thanks a lot for coming, everybody. Before we start learning any throws, etc., first thing about judo is you just got to make sure that you can fall okay. So I'll just check all your break falls one by one. Start with you. Just step forward, that's good. Okay, we start with a bow. Good. Then just take hold there, that's nice. And the throw. Oh, that's good one. Back with the others. Right, nice. Next one, please. That's good. Okay, again. And take hold. And that's nice. Good. And the others. There we go. Okay, can I have the next one, please? Next one, please. Yeah. Just step forward then. Yeah, onto the mat, yeah? Yeah. And the other foot, yeah? That's good, that's all right now. Okay, here we Just come back onto the mat. There we go. It's all right. Now, first the bow. All right, and then I take hold. It's all right. Just trust it. Just calm down. All right? Just stand there. That's it. No one's gonna get me. That's good. Okay. Yeah. Just one big bow, then the throw. Okay, so one, then.
Jangan lupa untuk klik like dan subscribe, serta klik tombol lonceng di sampingnya.